Here's 10 useful facts about heating and ventilation. Willis Carrier invented the first modern air conditioning system in 1902. The first use of a heating system came from the Romans and was called the hypocaust. Ventilation is the process of clean, fresh air being supplied to an area and stale air being removed. The majority of HVAC system failures are down to dirt and dust in the system. Heat energy is created by the movement of molecules. When an object is heated, the molecules move faster, and when cooled, move slower. The first public commercial place air conditioning was installed was a cinema. Productivity rates of employees is proven to be higher in an office of a reasonable temperature, which is why so many offices have air conditioning units for both heating and cooling. Heating boilers can now run up to 90% efficiency. The recommended frequency of servicing HVAC equipment is every 12 months. Air pollution is one of the UK's biggest killers, showing the importance of ventilation.